Hi guys, and welcome back to Cute Life Hacks. I hope all of you had a great Christmas holiday and a good start to 2018. So first of all, a huge thank you to everyone who subscribed to both of my channels, because Cute Life Hacks reached 1 million subscribers on August 2017 and Maqaroon reached 1 million in October 2017. But as a result of this, something very strange happened, and I have to make this video to show you how I ended up getting 3 golden play buttons within 2 months. So first of all, the process for getting a gold play button is exactly the same as a silver button. Basically, once you reach that milestone, whether it's 100,000 subscribers or 1 million subscribers, you have to wait about 3 or 4 weeks, and then YouTube sends you a notification with a coupon code. So all the people who got silver play buttons know exactly how this works. You take that code and you have to go to a special reward redemption page and you put it in, and then you get to claim your play button reward. So in my case, I claimed the reward for Cute Life Hacks around the end of September, and I got my button on the 2nd of November, and I was really excited since this was my first gold button, and I posted a picture on Instagram, which many of you guys saw and many of you guys commented. And then I wanted to wait until I got my second play button before actually posting anything on YouTube. So the weird thing is, a week after I got my first gold button, I got another email saying that your reward has been shipped and this is the tracking number. And then I just thought, this is weird because the timing seems to be very close together. So I got the second button and I opened it up and it said Cute Life Hacks on it. So what happened was that they just sent me 2 play buttons for Cute Life Hacks by accident, and I didn't realize it was an accident because I was waiting for a second gold play button from my other channel, and I think this is a situation that's probably never happened before. So I got my second button and I realized, wait a second, this is not the right one. I waited a few more weeks and I actually got the correct button for Maqaroon. So now I have 3 buttons, which we're going to take a look at. So I guess what actually happened was that it was a production mistake, and I had my own online shop, so I know that this happens pretty often, because when you have a lot of orders, you can only keep track of it by printing out a packing slip for each one. And it sometimes happens that you accidentally print out the same packing slip twice, so you think it's actually 2 different orders. And I can imagine that wherever they make these play buttons is exactly the same process. You just have 1 package per person, and if one thing gets printed out twice by accident, then that gets produced and shipped twice. And it's happened to me, and I had a tiny online shop, so I didn't even have that many orders, and you still get confused. So now it's time for the biggest gold button unboxing on YouTube. I can't remember which one is which, so I'm gonna just take off the first one. Oh, I'm pretty sure this is the one for Cute Life Hacks, because I actually used this as a felting mat as a joke. So that this is like the biggest felting mat in the world. Yay! So this was a lot bigger than I expected. I thought it was maybe twice the size of a silver button, which would be like half the size. But this whole box is just huge. Okay, so that one's done. Move on to the second one. Okay, this one I haven't even taken the letter out. So here's the second one for Cute Life Hacks. Thank you. There it is again. Congratulations on passing 1 million subscribers. I actually think this should be for Cute Life Hacks DE. This should be our German version. I should like paint a tiny German thing and give it to Lisa. Over here. And it's our last one. So this also has the letter, which I got 3 times by now. And this is the one from Maqaroon. Yay! I don't know why, but the one from Maqaroon always makes me a bit happier because it's like my baby. It's the first channel I had. A lot of people are going to be asking now, what are you going to do with all these buttons? And for me, there's obviously just one answer. I'm going to make a DIY with them. So now I want your suggestions. What kind of DIYs should I make using these buttons? They can also be made using a mold. For instance, I can easily make a silicone mold of the button, which is what I did with my silver one, and then fill it up using all kinds of different things, like chocolate, squishies, resin, slime. I don't know, you guys just go crazy, and I want to see the best ideas for gold button DIYs down below. And of course, I will pick out the best ones and make them for a future video. So thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to read all of your ideas down below. Bye!